Farrel,
Yeah,
have you ever wondered about the chemistry in sleep?
I don't know, bro.
How about you, bro?
Me too, bro. I don't know.
Well then, let's find out.
Oh, hey. Sleep is really important in my life. Let's be real. It's really good. It makes you feel energized and stuff. Well, there are two chemicals found in our brain when we are sleeping.
So the first substance is adenosine. While the second substance are melatonin. So this is adenosine. You done? While another hand, this is melatonin. Yeah, basically that's it.
Fun fact! Did you know that lack of sleep puts you at risk for heart attack, heart failure, irregular heartbeat, high blood pressure, stroke, and diabetes? Right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, sorry, I was just there. Did you guys notice that I sleep every time I'm in the video? Yeah, that's just because I don't get enough sleep. Man, I'm tired. I want to sleep.
In teens, melatonin is produced about 3 hours later in a 24-hour sleep than children or adults. Teens typically requires 9 hours of sleep per night. But to be honest, I don't sleep at all.
So, how do teens cope with their sleeping problems? Wait, back up a bit. First, time management. Teens should manage their time or sleeping schedule based on the requirements of their age. Secondly, minimize artificial light exposure. This includes the usage of electronics devices before going to sleep. And lastly, avoid sleeping into late on weekends.
In conclusion, what is the chemistry behind sleep? While you sleep, there are two chemicals inside your brain which are melatonin and adenosine. Technically, both melatonin and adenosine is the cause of your sleepiness or drowsiness. To differentiate them, melatonin is the one that acts as the time cue. It helps your body to prepare for sleep, while adenosine is the one that actually makes you feel sleepy. Another difference is, while you sleep, melatonin is increased while adenosine is decreased. If you don't make enough melatonin at night, it can struggle you to fall asleep. Now, what do you do if you have sleeping problems? The best thing is probably to manage your time very wisely. It may be a very common thing to say, but it sure is very important. You also need to minimize artificial light exposure because it will just probably prevent you from sleeping. Last, you should know that sleeping in too late on weekends is not going to help make up for your lost sleep. So you better do these things if you don't want to have sleeping problems.